Today was the final leg in the journey, bringing Skyray back to the Intrepid. It's in the restoration shop, and it couldn't have been better. It was pouring rain all night long, and it was as if Mother Nature knew how important this morning was, and it just turned into a beautiful day. Yeah, kind of do a little do-si-do, bring the nose around towards the front of the ship and pull it in rearward because I wanted it to be in the shop with the nose facing out. I look forward to taking you through all the steps of this restoration project, and we'll see you next time.